Today we will learn how to remove background of the video in Premiere Pro and how to export a background-less video. We have taken a green screen video here, and this is the video. Now go to the Effects panel and search Ultra key, and drag and drop the effect. Now go to the Effect Controls panel and select the eyedropper tool in front of Key Color in the Ultra key section. Now click on the green color of the video. And this is done. Now the video is background-less. Now press Ctrl+M or go to File menu and then go to Export and select Media. Set your file name and location here. Now go to Format and select QuickTime. Now open the video section and select the video codec as Apple ProRes 444XQ. Now select Render at maximum depth. And in depth select 16 bpc plus alpha. Now select Use maximum render quality and then export. Now after exporting, this video will not open in your device, but don't worry, this video can be opened in Premiere Pro. That's all for today. If you like the video, then do like and subscribe to the channel. Graphic Studio is now available on Instagram. Do follow on Instagram for such videos. Also, Graphic Studio is available on WhatsApp public channel. Follow to the official channel by searching in Find Channels or click the link given in the description.